How to convert Python's isoformat string back into datetime object. So in Python 3, you can generate an ISO 8601 date with isoformat, but you can't convert a string created by isoformat back into a datetime object because Python's own datetime directives don't match properly. That is, %z equals 0500 instead of 5 o'clock, which is produced by isoformat. For example, from Python's stricttime documentation, this URL %z UTC offset in the form plus +, empty string if the object is naive, empty, plus 0000, 0400, plus 1030. So, in short, Python does not even adhere to its own string formatting directives. I know datetime is already terrible in Python, but this really goes beyond unreasonable into the land of plain stupidity. Tell me this isn't true.
Python 3.7 Plus. As of Python 3.7 there is a method, datetime.fromIsoformat, which is exactly the reverse for isoformat. Older Python. If you have older Python, then this is the current best solution to this question. Then,
try this. Usage.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.